Hello guys, good morning everybody. So this is the presentation of the world best decentralized platform, that is FORSAGE, and now it is on BUSD, Binance Smart Chain. Okay, so you have heard about the FORSAGE, you have heard about the FORSAGE success. FORSAGE has made many people millionaire, billionaire around the world, and now it comes to the Forces Binance Smart Chain. Before that, Forces is working with the Ethereum and TRX network, but the big problem was Ethereum's gas fee and the Tron network's bugs. So that is why, and forces care about their joinings, forces care about their workers, so they started with the network that is the best ever, and they started with the stable currency, that is BUSD, and they started with the Binance Smart Chain for the low gas fee. Okay, so now the question comes out, what is the BUSD token and what is its advantage? So BUSD is a cryptocurrency with a stable exchange rate equal to $1 with the fully audited code and approved by New York State Department of Financial Services. What is the benefit of Forsage on BUSD? Right? So number one, the fixed value. The problem with the Ethereum network and the Tron network was that higher gas fee. But and after that, if you work with Ethereum chain, so you understand this fact that like sometimes you work with the lower amounts of Ethereum, right, for that particular joining, but after that it's like it's go beyond to the 1 lakh rupees in Indian, and like 2200 or something like that. It's like above beyond the capacity of normal people. So that's why the fixed value, right, forces started with a BUSD currency. BUSD currency is a like stable cryptocurrency, right? Right, so they will provide a fixed value, then a same crypto opportunities, right? BUSD token can be swapped instantly to any cryptocurrency via DEX swap at almost zero cost, right? There is no cost in Trust Wallet for swapping the BUSD token, right, or something like that, less cost, right? And then after simplicity of calculation, because it's based on the US dollar, so you can calculate your joining fee, you can calculate your amount that you getting from forces. So it's like easy calculation for you, right? And after that, the accurate planning, because the results will be awesome. The precise expense tracking, right? Exactly, precise expenses tracking and result estimation without additional rate conversion, right? You don't have to change any coin to such that coins, right? You can easily purchase BUSD and you can join, right? BUSD you can purchase from Binance wallet, right, and easily you can join with the Trust wallet, right? So consumer protection, BUSD is a 1:1 fully USD baked backed currency, right? If you earn in BUSD, you can change it in US dollar and you can get your fiat currency, that means your national currency, right, easily. Now it's important that I should suggest you that what is the necessary things that you should have before joining FORSAGE BUSD. So the BUSD used in marketing is a BAP20 format token, right? So you have to purchase the BUSD in the format of BAP20. BAP20, that means Binance Smart Chain uh, blockchain per Binance Smart Chain blockchain based USD token you have to purchase for the joining purpose, and you need some Binance Smart Chain balance to pay the gas fee. Okay, so this is very simple, easy to understand. Now we'll move forward to the presentation. What is the Forces marketing, right? So right now Forces is is like forces marketing is basically a decentralized market, right? What is the decentralized, what do you mean, or what does mean decentralized mean, right? What are the advantages of, what are the benefits of decentralization? So decentralized marketing is created with an automatic contract that offers you maximum security and sustainability. A smart contract is an automatic execution of algorithms. It exists within the Binance Smart Chain blockchain, one of the top cryptocurrency. Smart contracts like cryptocurrency are decentralized. They work strictly according to the underlying programs without the possibility of subsequently changing the defined execution. No one can change that defined executions. If the transaction happens, it will come out to the lakhs of computer or crores of computer all over the world. There is an internet availability, you can check your transaction, so no one can change anything, and the stability is more higher, the security is more higher than normal centralized platform. Okay, so the blockchain is immutable, recorded a record of transactions and information which is cryptographically protected from any subsequent manipulations. No one can do any kind of manipulation with this data. So this is the best ever thing of FORSAGE. Now we move forward to the marketing plan of FORSAGE. What is marketing plan of FORSAGE? If you opt to join FORSAGE marketing, you will get two slots. One is FORSAGE X3 and second one is FORSAGE X4. So where do you can join, right? You can join through the Trust Wallet, and like you can see Trust Wallet over here in FORSAGE X3. One wallet is there, a second wallet is there, and then the sign of recycle. Okay, so I'll explain you that what is the meaning of these wallet and recycle. Wallet means that if you refer someone, he can join with Trust Wallet, and you will get his 5 like you can join this FORSAGE X3 with 10 BUSD, 10 BUSD, 5 BUSD each for X3 and X4, right? Okay, so like if you purchase FORSAGE X3 with 5 BUSD and FORSAGE X4 with 5 BUSD, right? So what happens if someone comes to your team, if someone joins your team, they will also join FORSAGE X3 and X4 simultaneously with the 10 BUSD firstly, right? So you will get the amount of 5 BUSD of that person who joins your team, and again you will get 5 BUSD of the person who joins your team, and third person who joins your team will help you in the recycle of FORSAGE X3 of your position, right? Your position of FORSAGE X3 will be recycled by the third person you refer in this plan, right? And in FORSAGE plan what happens, right? If you refer your two person, right, and those two persons 100% income goes to your uplines, your immediate person who refers you, right? And after that, if your referral work and they generate 2 cells, so you will get 3 persons 100% amount, and fourth person will pay for your recycle of FORSAGE X4 plan, and this will continue further and further and further. Okay, so now let us understand FORSAGE triple X plan. This will come in future. Okay, so we'll discuss about in future, and FORSAGE X4, this will also come in future, so we'll discuss about this in future. Okay, so now what is the slots in X3 and X4? If you join FORSAGE plan, you will get minimum slots of 5 BUSD, 5 BUSD each, like in the first joining. But after that you have an option that you wanted to open X3 slot or you wanted to open X4 slot. So what kind of benefits in X3 and what kind of benefits in X4? X3 is a working slots and X4 is a non-working slot, you can say it, right? Because in X4 you are not working, actually you are working for X3, and X4 is automatically completed, right? So you just have to work for the X3 and you can renew your X3 X4 simultaneously, so you will get higher commission, right? And every slot is a double of the previous slot, right? If you get first slot in $5, then simple, you can get second slot in $10, and then 20, then 40, and so on, right? So this is all about the forces X3 and X4, and triple X will come in future, X gold will come in future. So now we will understand that what will happen when you join, right? To get registered in forces, a new member activate the first slot in X3 and X4 program, which cost 5 BUSD each. It makes it 10 BUSD in total to register. The first slot of X3 and X4 are always activated together. They cannot be purchased separately. Next slot, upgraded slot, can be activated separately, but only one after another, right? One after another you have to upgrade, right? After the launch of X3 and X4 programs on BSC, two more programs will be added consequently, one at a time. Launch schedules will be announced: triple X and X gold. These are the plans comes in future, but we will understand over here the plan, that is forces X3 and X4. For X3 and X4 you have to invest 10 BUSD, and along with that you need some Binance Smart Chain to join this plan, okay? And after that you need a referral link. So I will share my referral link to this video link description, and you can copy that link. You can easily join from that link in the trust wallet, and if you have any kind of problem you can contact me. I'll help you out in the joining process, okay? So what happens, right? I explained you earlier, but I am clearing you that what will happen when you join, right? When you join this industry you are at you position, right? Okay, so in X3 program are your personally referred partners, right? 1 and 2, you will get 100% commission in your wallet of 1 and 2%, right? The first referral partner takes a place under you, 100% payout goes to your personal wallet. The second referral partner takes place below you, payment is also instantly credited to your personal wallet. But the third partner takes third place below you, again receive 100% income, but in the form of recycle. Means you are getting income, but the position that you hold is getting recycled, so that you can get more and more commission, okay? And in X4 plan, okay, so in X4 plan, partners who take place below you in the first line, two of the second line of the higher, 100% payments goes to the wallet of your higher partner. That means, like above you, who is the higher partner of you, will get the commission of starting 2%. But after that, if they will refer to someone, so you will also receive income from the second line, 100% of your 4 people. Of these 3 payments go instantly to your wallet, and the last fourth payment, that means 6% payment, goes to the closing slot, and it makes 100% transfer to your higher partner, so that you can renew your position. So these are the plans of forces X3, and triple X plan will come in future, so we'll discuss in future. And forces X gold plan also come in future, so we'll discuss in future, okay? And what is the meaning of recycle? Recycle meaning that it gives you opportunity to earn more and more income by just staying at your own slot, right? And this is like recycle your individual slot in triple X and X gold, right? And what is the meaning of upgrade? Why do you upgrade the slots, right? You can also join with one slot, right? But why do you have to update your slot? Because if like for the example, you have a slot of $320, but someone joins in your network with the $640, so you will not get this commission, because you will get only $320, but you will not get $640 of that person, because you are not updated, or you are not upgraded your slot. So upgrading slot is very important, but this is also a kind of greed, this is also a kind of like misunderstanding. So you need the right person who can mentor you in this program, and I'll help you out. So if you join with me, you're welcome. And anything that you wanted to ask me, you can ask me through my Telegram channel. I'll give my link to this video. You can join my Telegram, and you can write, you can ask me anything, and you will come over here guaranteed. I'll make sure that I will support you 100%. Whatever I can do for you, I will, right? So this is like Forces X3 and X4 plan. Total amount that you invested in joining the forces, that is $29,700 X3 plan, and for the right, for the upcoming Forces X4 plan, $39,600, right? So that is the income that you can make also, right? Because if you joining with these kind of amounts, so you'll have opportunity. Minimum recommended start option, what you need to start, right? You need to start with the 3 slots, so that you can make good amount in earlier days. Okay, so this is what my recommendation, but you can also do on your basis. Profits from forces when all slots will be opened. If you open all the slots, so you'll generate one cycle income from the X3 slot, that is net profit. I'm sharing you the net profit, that is $40,000, and X4, that is $60,000, and that is a huge amount. 1 lakh dollar, that means 70 lakh rupees in Indian currency. That is a huge amount. Okay, so now let us move forward, right? If you need any kind of suggestions, you have any kind of questions, so you can ask from me, and I'm giving you some questions that people generally ask, right? Why Binance Smart Chain? So reason behind that: the excellent bandwidth, the low fees, well developed infrastructures, growing popularity, and impeccable reputation of Binance Smart Chain. That's why we move with Binance Smart Chain this time, right? What about other blockchains? So Ethereum and Tron are not going anywhere. We will continue to support these blockchains. We are sure that sooner or later the Ethereum network will solve all the fees issue, and the Tron network will fix all the bugs. Their developers are working on it. But the Forces community should not stand by and wait for the moment to come. We must act so that our joint endeavor can grow. This means that we'll use other suitable network if they suit our users, right? So will there be any new program? Yes, the new programs will come in future. X Gold and Triple X. How to prepare for the launch of Forces Binance Smart Chain? It's already launched. You don't have to prepare yourself. You can join and you can work with Forces BUSD, right? There are some links you can check out, but I'll provide you all those things, all those right videos, so that you can also join and work, and I will train you in this process, so that you can work better and you will generate income. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for giving the time. And now time to turn on the forcing. The force is Binance Smart Chain. Thank you so much guys, thank you for watching. And if you need any kind of help, you can directly contact me through the Telegram and WhatsApp. Just go and contact me.